What's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Just wanted to give you an update on our winter seeds that we have started. They have germinated. Some of them have broken ground. Some of them have their true leaves. So I just wanted to show you that you can do it too. You can grow inside starting in winter. I had these in the greenhouse and I wanted to repot them. So I bought them inside and put them in the windowsill under some lights. Okay, so let's just take a look around at what we got. These are some squash. And I hear people say, you shouldn't start that, you should never do that. But hey, it's all about fun gardening, creative gardening, and taking chances. What works for some may not work for others. So we're gonna try it anyway and keep it moving. Here are some of our, back here y'all are cucumbers. Yep, and they're starting to get true leaves too. These are also more cucumbers. And I did some succession planting, so as you can see, some are taller than others for continual harvest. And even some of our berries have come up. Remember we planted those berries? Now I can't tell you which one this is because we spilled our tray. So we're having fun figuring it out, okay? And we have some of our bell peppers, you guys. They're doing great. I put each one in their own individual home, so they can stay in here until they go in the ground when it's time to plant. And then we have some more tomatoes. Doing great. More peppers. And then you guys, you remember our tomato rocket experiment that we planted? Look, you guys, they actually are growing out. These are our tomato rockets, and I put some of my own around the edges that I had already pre-started, and I just popped them down in there, and they have taken to the soil quite nicely. Here are more peppers. And what I've decided, you guys, I was planting a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Here's some more tomatoes. So I've taken some advice from some other YouTubers and some other gardeners, and I'm going to plant what I know I'm going to eat, use, and share with family and friends. So I got excited, and I like to try to grow everything, but then I won't have space for everything. And I still have not ordered my seeds from Heirloom Seed Company. Yeah. So yeah, you guys, and then some of our seeds that we're germinating in the paper towels. I hope you can see the roots coming out. These are more tomatoes, and you can actually see the root. Let me put it up against the light. You see that, you guys? The roots coming out. Yeah. And I have a lot of other things down here in Ziplocs that are starting to germinate as well. And we'll go through that in another video when we go to plant them. But yeah, you guys, this is just our windowsill planting area inside of the house. We had a terrible windstorm a few weeks ago, and I was afraid everything was going to blow over in the greenhouse because it was so bad. So I brought everything in, and I have not taken it back out yet. So maybe we'll start our new seeds back out there. So yeah, you guys, just wanted to give you that update. It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a blessed day. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. I love you. You're the best. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Click the notification bell if you like. And share my videos, you guys. I don't mind. I love it if you do. Okay, and we have passed our 500 member mark. Yeah, you guys, thank you. Thank you. Okay, we're going to go ahead and end this video. I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed day, you guys. I love you. You are absolutely the best. Skinny Boy Randy, signing off.